So today I'm recording the third part of this particular practical implementation of service-oriented architecture. So today I'm recording the part third. I have already recorded part one and part two of this particular topic, B2B e-commerce site development with the help of ASP.NET. So here I have considered one case study related with mobile phones. One organization is having their own website for selling the mobile phone, and same organization is sharing the data in the form of web services with the help of different e-commerce site. So when one organization want to share the data with e-commerce site, they share their data with the help of web services. So we have seen this particular scenario that my mobile company is again having their own website, and they develop the application with the help of ASP.NET. And they have their own website developed in ASP.NET, and with the help of that website, my mobile company is selling the product, but the customer may not know the exact web address of this particular organization. Therefore, the many customer prefer the e-commerce site for purchasing the mobile phone. In that case, my mobile company is having their own website for selling the product, and they thought that to expand the business, they should share these web services along with the e-commerce site. And for that, they have implementing this service oriented architecture. And what they thought, sharing their web services with the help of this particular service oriented architecture. So they develop the web services. In previous video we have seen that they are having their own website for providing the information of mobile phones. So they have their own website, and now they develop one web service, and with the help of that web service they are sharing the data related to mobile phone, all mobile phone data, with the help of e-commerce site. So they share these web services to the e-commerce site, and out of that one web service we have computerized. So consume the web services. So I'm showing you first what we have covered here up till now. So we have covered the site for selling the product, individual site for selling the product. So for that, I have used ASP.NET, and in ASP.NET, I have prepared one application performing different CRUD operation in my first video, and in second video, I have developed one web service for getting all the mobile phones. Now our aim is to develop the web service for retrieving the mobile phone by name. So these two web services required by the e-commerce site, maybe Amazon, Flipkart, or any other e-commerce site. So this organization, after completion of analysis and designing, they are able to, after development, they are sharing the wisdom of these two services with the e-commerce site. So let us see what we have covered up till now. So up till now, the organization created the web service. So our assumption is like this: when my mobile company is again having their own website for providing the information for selling this particular product to the end user. So like Samsung, my mobile company is having this type of again product for selling this particular product to the customer with the help of their own website, and this website is developed with the help of ASP.NET. And now the organization is sharing these mobile phone data with the e-commerce site. For that, they have thought of development of web services. So first web service we have seen in my last video, that they have developed one web service called Get All Mobile Phone Service. And if when I click on this invoke button, I will get the information regarding all the mobile phone, Galaxy A80, Galaxy M40, Galaxy A20, Galaxy, then uh, Galaxy S3 Neo. So like this, all the mobile phone they are sharing with the help of this particular site. So they have, so we have seen already the procedure of development of all mobile phone service. So today I am showing you the procedure of developing the web service. So developing the web service for retrieving the mobile phone data with the help of mobile phone name. So the second web service required by Amazon or Flipkart or any other e-commerce site is the service related with whenever the Amazon site, the customer search the specific name of my mobile company's model, then from the this particular SQL database. So see here I have shown you the database, SQL server database of that my mobile company. They have stored few records to their database. I have already shown the record with the help of browser, and now I am showing you the SQL server database record. So they are having this mobile phone data. And now my aim is to retrieve the mobile phone details with the help of mobile phone name. So I'm selecting one of the mobile phone name, Galaxy A80, and I'm copying this particular name. So just I'm clicking here, copy. So after completion of this program, we'll retrieve the record with the help of Galaxy A80. So for this particular application, I have taken one project, and in this particular project, I am retrieving getting the mobile phone by name record. So I have taken one project, and in that project, I have added one web service. So second web service I have added, and the web service name is get mobile phone by name service. So we have covered, already covered the get mobile phone, get all the mobile phone. Now the unique requirement, getting the mobile phone by name. If the user using the Amazon or Flipkart site, if the user search the unique, provide the unique mobile model name, then from the database I am sharing the features of that particular model to the end user with the help of this particular service. So I have added the soap-based service in my project using just right-click, add new service. So service company, I have taken service name is get mobile phone by name. So you will get this particular template. So to develop the web services, you should add these three namespaces: system.data, system.data.sql client, and web service configuration, because it's a database service. And the connectivity is available in web.config file. So I'm showing you that web.config file as well. So web.config file is used for database connectivity. So I have already added the connection string. Here the database name is Samsung mobile. So this database is the catalog is used. So see here this mobile name, and I am retrieving the record with the help of mobile underscore name. So I am passing the value of this particular variable to the user with the help of this particular ASMX service. So in web method, you required a method for retrieving the mobile phone by name. So I have written one method for that, get mobile phone by name. And I'm passing mobile name. A variable name I have taken as mobile name. And comparing, I'm passing this mobile name with this mobile name. And if the mobile name is found in the database, I'm retrieving all the details. So for retrieving all the details, I have selected this particular query, select star from mobile phone where mobile phone name equal to @ user passes the mobile phone name with the help of web service. So connection string I am taking considering from the web.config file, and here the table is used as mobile phone table. So Samsung mobile, it's a catalog name, and phone the file name table name is mobile phone. So I have written this particular method for retrieving the mobile phone by name. So let us execute this particular web service after completion. So I am retrieving the mobile phone with the help of mobile phone name. So here the user is passing the parameter, and the parameter name is mobile phone name. So user passes the parameter mobile phone name, and with the help of mobile phone name, I am providing the mobile phone details to the end user. So I'm retrieving the record from the database. So I have opened the browser for fetching the output, for retrieving the output with the help of mobile phone. Get mobile phone by name. So this particular web service we have already covered. Get all mobile phone by model, and today we have seen the web service get mobile phone by name variable. So here we are passing the unique mobile phone name. So please remember the name of the mobile phone: Galaxy A80, Galaxy M40. So today we have seen this particular web service, get mobile phone by name service, and I'm executing this web service. It's a SOAP-based service. So after execution, this particular service providing us the two things: the method, get method, so get mobile phone by name method, and the WSDL file. So after execution, I'm sharing this WSDL to the Amazon and Flipkart, so similar e-commerce site. So today my aim is to develop the service, and then in my next lecture, video lecture, I am sharing this particular service to the e-commerce site. So the service is again successfully executed. I am selecting this particular service, get mobile phone by name. We have already copied one record, so I am here, just I am pasting that record. Galaxy A80. You type the mobile name and just click on invoke button for invoking the mobile phone records with the help of mobile phone name. And here we have passed the mobile phone name is Galaxy A80, and we have retrieved the price, details, storage, RAM. Here I have not considered the image. If you consider the image, you will get the path of that image here. So this is what the XML output of this particular web service. So if I want another record, in that case, Galaxy M40 is one mobile phone. So if the user type this particular mobile name with the help of e-commerce site, So he will get the access to the Galaxy M40 mobile phone. So in this way, we have covered the website and two different services. Retrieve all the mobile phone from the Samsung or my mobile phone site and retrieve the mobile phone by the name attribute. So today we have covered this much only. In my next lecture, I am showing you the code of the e-commerce site, how this e-commerce site consume these web services in their application. So in my next video lecture, I am developing the application for consuming the web services. So I'm showing you the what type of logic is used by the e-commerce site for retrieving these two web services, consuming these two web services. So today I am covering this much only.